This is a very important field which not only informs the client of exactly what type of property you are advertising, but it also determines some of the fields that you will be shown in the rest of the listing record. It is very important to get this field correct, so it is crucial that you know the difference between each property type. In the Developer CRM, this field can only be changed in the property record. Apartments are those which are part of a building, which can have as few as 2 properties, one on top of the other, or as many as several hundred. Houses are freestanding properties that consist of one or more buildings but are located on a physically undivided piece of land. Townhouses are similar to houses, but they are joined to at least one other townhouse with at least one common wall. These are defined as being terraced or attached if they are between 2 other properties, or as semi-detached if they are only attached to one neighbouring property. Residential land is vacant land with no built structures on it that has the permission only for residential usage. Residential buildings are entire buildings with 2 or more apartments that are being sold as one asset. Offices are either open or divided by walls and are designated for work, not for living. Retail properties are those designated for shops, restaurants, salons, and other places of business that have customers visiting the space to purchase goods or receive a service. Industrial spaces are properties used for storage, manufacturing, packing, and logistics, like warehousing, storage units, and workshops. Commercial land is vacant land with no built structures on it that has the permission only for commercial usage. Potential uses of the land could be for farming or for the construction of any commercial property type. Farms are large pieces of land with at least one property that are being used for the farming of either plants or animals. Commercial buildings are entire buildings with 2 or more commercial properties, like the offices of retail spaces that are being sold as one asset. Hotels are commercial establishments offering lodging to travelers and are being sold as one asset.